Automating several posts doesn't need to involve several tools. It can all be done within Canva. I'll show you how. First up, select Create a new design. Select Doc. Then choose Magic Write. This is where we are going to feed our prompt to Canva's AI. Feel free to use my prompt as a template and just change it up a bit for your needs. The key part is we want the output to be a table. Pause here to read the prompt if you like. Select Generate. Check to make sure you're happy with the result. If you are, select Insert. Give the document a good name. We'll come back to it later. Start a new project for some kind of social media post. I'll choose Instagram Reel. Give the document a good name. In my case, I want to make a series of quizzes, so I'm going to go to a design and look for quiz templates. Pick a template suitable for you. This one works. I'm going to do some formatting to my liking. And for ease of understanding, I'm going to change the text values to the name of the type of data that will be put in them. On the timeline, I set my duration to 10 seconds. Now I want to change the timing of everything in my quiz so it shows the question for 6 seconds and then the answer for 4 seconds. I'll add in a 6-second timer as well. Right-click on the timer, select Show Element Timing. Show the timer for the first 6 seconds of the quiz by dragging the handle on the right-hand side of the timer clipped to the left. Click on each of the answers and I'll set these up for the first 6 seconds as well. Since I want an answer to show up in the last 4 seconds, I'm going to duplicate one of the answer options, shift it to the end of the quiz, and change some formatting. Now to animate things quickly, select an element, select Animate, and select Page. This will animate every element on the page with a certain theme, such as fun, and I'll choose to animate on both enter and exit. Now I'm going to change the background. Great! Once you have a template for your post set up, you are ready to mass produce. Go to Apps on the left. Search for Bulk Create. Select it. Choose Enter Data Manually. Go back to your doc with your table of data. Copy the table. Paste it into Bulk Create. This first row of data here, you're going to want up at the top in the title line, so go ahead and copy and paste each of those up to the upper line. You'll want these column names to make sense. You'll see why later on. Choose Done. Now, right-click on each of the text boxes that are going to use data from the table. Click on Connect Data. Choose the corresponding column name. Once you have connected all the data, select Continue. Select Generate Designs. You now have 50 posts down in your timeline. I like to change the background for each of them, which we can do fairly quickly in Canva. Then download them as separate files. Now that you have 50 posts, hit the like and subscribe button, and check out this video to learn about 7 amazing AI features in Canva that you have to see to believe.